Hello everyone. Welcome to Sanmargaha classes. A first question from the lesson Sir C.V. Raman. For each of the statement, four alternatives are given as the answers. Choose the best alternative. So it carries 1 mark each. Okay. So identify. First question is identify parts of speech of the underlined word. So here you have to identify the parts of speech. Okay. First sentence is Raman was a kind man. The underlined word is kind. Okay, children. So you have to tell whether it is noun, verb, adjective, or adverb. Okay. So these are the options given. Now, 8 parts of speeches are adjectives, noun, pronoun, adverb, interjection, conjunction, adjective, verb, etc. These are the parts of speeches. Okay. So among these, you have to identify which part of speech is a kind word. Okay. So here Raman was a kind man ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ದಯಾಳು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಅಂತ ಓಕೆನಾ so kind man. So this word kind describes about Raman, isn't it? So what kind of a man he was? He was a kind man. So since it describes about noun, Raman is noun, isn't it? So it describes about noun. This is adjective. C option C adjective is the correct ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಎಡ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ನೌನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೋ ನಾಮಪದವನ್ನ ಅಥವಾ ನಾಮಪದದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಮಾಹಿತಿ the word which gives more information about noun or the word which gives describes noun is called as adjective. Okay, here kind is the word which describes about Raman. He was a kind man. So it is adjective. Okay. Option C, adjective is the right answer.